The video demonstrates the usage of Metasploit post-exploitation module, which can steal the iPhone backups from a victim's computer. I am using the Metasploit 4.4 on a Bactriac VM. Metasploit comes with Apple iOS backup extraction module. However, the module was designed for iOS 4 and does not support the latest iOS 5 backups. I have updated the scripts to make it work with iOS 5. Apple iOS backup extraction module contains two scripts. The manifestdb file acts as a parser, and Apple iOS backup, which downloads the backup directory. Links to the updated files is available in my blog post. Download the files and place them in root directory. In order to use the scripts with Metasploit, first we have to copy them to corresponding directories. Apple iOS backup file is a post-exploitation module. So navigate to Metasploit modules post multi gather directory. Take a backup of existing Apple iOS backup file. Replace the file with a new file which is in root directory. Apple backup manifestdb is a parser. So navigate to Metasploit library rex parser and take a backup of existing file and replace it with the new file from the root directory. Start the Metasploit using msf console command. It will take some time to load. Meanwhile, we will take a look at our victim's machine. The victim is running on Windows XP. By navigating to C Documents and Settings, User Application Data, Apple Computer, Mobile Sync, Backup folder, you can notice that the user computer has a iOS backup. So observe that the backup folder contains only a MBDB file and there is no MBDX file. This indicates that it is an iOS 5 backup. In order to use the post-exploitation scripts from Metasploit, first we have to compromise the victim computers using some other vector. So using Metasploit console, I am going to exploit Net API vulnerability in Windows XP machine. Here I supplied Windows IP to rhost parameter. After successful exploitation, Metasploit returns a meterpreted shell where we can run post-exploitation scripts. To read the iOS backup, run Apple iOS backup script. It dumps all the iOS backup files in the victim machine to Metasploit DB. You can notice that it is downloading all the files from the backup. I have interrupted it. To view the dumped file, navigate to MSF4 root directory. It will display the files which are dumped from the victim's machine. iOS backup contains a copy of everything on the phone like contacts, SMS, photos, calendar, call logs and application data. So by stealing the iOS backup from a victim's machine, we can get access to the user's mobile data as well.